Congratulations to the CR 736 Bridge Scour Repair Project Delivery Team for reaching construction completion on the $2.7 million project. The project, located on the St. Francis River near CR 736 Bridge in Madison, Arkansas, consisted of debris removal, reshaping the channel, and armoring the riverbank with 27,000 tons of stone. Left unaddressed, the scouring would continue to erode the river's banks and threaten the bridge. The project delivery team members on the project are Project Manager Amber Jarnajan, Technical Lead Joshua Giannini, Contract Specialist Kimberly Daniel Ray, Small Business Specialist Thomas Mercer, and Construction Quality Assurance Thomas Kyle Wheeler. Our much appreciated local partner on the project is the St. Francis Levee District of Arkansas. The contractor on the project is A-Rock Construction Company. Congratulations to the entire team.